In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a navigation bar in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're creating an app and want a clean top navigation bar without manually coding every detail, this is a super simple way to do it. We'll log into Base44, open the app you're working on, and use a clear prompt to generate the navigation bar exactly the way you want it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Base44 tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your workspace at Base44. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the specific app you are building. This part is important because Base44 needs to know which project you want to edit, so make sure you're inside the correct app before you start prompting. After your app loads, look for the area where you can describe what you want Base44 to create or update. This is where you'll give the AI a detailed instruction for your navigation bar. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. For example, if you're building a task management app, you could type a prompt like this: create a top navigation bar with all active tasks done. But you can also make it more detailed, depending on your app. For instance, you might ask for a top nav bar with a logo on the left, menu links in the center, and a profile icon on the right. You could also mention buttons, drop-downs, search bars, or mobile-friendly behavior if you want a more advanced layout. The goal here is to describe the navigation bar in a way that tells Base44 exactly what you need. Think about the structure, the placement, the labels and the style. If you want the bar to stay fixed at the top, say that. If you want it to use simple modern styling, include that too. If you want the navigation bar to match the rest of your app's theme, mention the colors and design direction. Once your prompt is written, press Enter. Base44 will take your instruction and generate the navigation bar inside your app. After that, review the result to make sure everything looks right. Check whether the links are in the correct place, whether the layout makes sense, and whether the styling matches your app. If something needs to be adjusted, you can refine the prompt and press Enter again with more detail. That's one of the best parts of using Base44, because you can keep improving the output just by being more specific with your instructions. So, to quickly recap, log into Base44, open the app you're building, describe your navigation bar in detail, and press Enter to generate it. It's a fast, beginner-friendly way to build a polished navigation bar for your project. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.